राज्याचे अर्थव्यवस्थेक तसेच रोजगारा खातीर पर्यटनाक महत्व आसा। दर वर्सा लाखांनी देशी आनी परदेशी पर्यटक गोंयांत येतात। पूण आता पर्यटन क्षेत्रांत नवीन कल्पना चालीक लावपाची गरज आसा। ती संकल्पना चालीक लावपाची ताक आयच्या तरणाट्यांकडेन आसा। प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी संकल्पनेचेर आदारून राज्यातली दरेक शाळा, हायस्कूल आनी कॉलेज पावंड्यार युवा पर्यटन क्लब स्थापन करतले, पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे सांगता।
Samruddhi Acharya from Nyantasark, and I am the president of the Yuva Tourism Club. And as you have told before that there is a career in Yuva Tourism Club. We can also become a guide or tourist guide, traveler guide or PR manager, anything we want to become. And we have got a lot of information and we have understood a lot of things about the Yuva tourism, and we had interaction with Dr. Albino Thompson, and we had conducted a lot of competitions in our school, as so Bhushan Tirudkar told before, and the question I wanted to ask you was the reason why actually the Yuva Tourism Club was started.
I think I just started. I think it's the same question which your colleague had started. Then when she asked me why Yuva clubs are not formed, you are asking me why it was started. So I think it's quite associated question. Yuva club is a concept started by the Prime Minister with a vision of getting the youth involved in tourism. Goa, India has a lot of heritage, culture, a lot of more things than what we can showcase. So Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, and as we plan this Amrit Kal, that is 25 years ahead, we are at 75 years of independence. The next 25 years is the plan which we need to do, which is going to be good for you, because you are our future. So every state potentially is trying to ensure that their future is having a right direction of moving towards the right locations and parts which they can play a role in not only building their own career but also building the country and the nation. So potentially tourism will be a main player. It is not only India, globally people have understood that tourism is here to stay, and here as tourism progresses, you need to ensure that the children, the youth understand what tourism is about. Which are coming in, which will showcase the culture of Goa, and in true sense, in a third, we need to have a balance to what we wear and how we need to put ourselves across. तसोच आमी रोखडोच सांवजेव करतले ऑन अ हायर स्केल. म्हाका दिसता चिकलकालो इज प्लॅन्ड एट मार्सेल आनी सांवजेव इज प्लॅन्ड एट ओल्ड गोवा with the help of Rajesh Paldesai. So we are also exploring different areas to go and do the events. It is not only about one city or one place to do it. So each event, if you find, we have been going south gele, north Saligaon gele, Purvari aile, ata Old Goa vata. So each event will find a new destination. We went to Mandre. So we need to move around and showcase it to the domestic and international tourists. So what we are and what we can do.
सर म्हणल्यार तुम्ही फक्त गोवा टुरिझम आता आर्ट एंड कल्चर घेऊन फुडें वचपाची तयारी गोवा टुरिझमाची चालू आसा अशें दिश्टी पडटा.
Culture is more important. Our culture of what we have. Art is different. Culture is something which we need to showcase to what truly we are. आमी स्पिरिच्युअलिटी जेन्ना उलयता, वेलनेसाचेर उलयता, पोस्ट कोविड लर्निंग घेतलें, ताजे प्रमाणे वी हॅव हेड अ प्लॅन which has been discussed with the empowered committee.
So cultural event tourism support ba astala ashe. So tourism will be supporting.
Tourism has always been supportive about all cultures, and we will ensure that we support as the best possible we can.
GOA365 खातीर विन्सन रोजारियो, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.